morning. Man, it's a beautiful Friday morning. Sun's coming up. Opportunities in front of us. Guys, what more could we want? Right? What more could we want? We got opportunity, we got potential, and we got talent. Okay? We got opportunity, we got potential, we got talent, folks. That's what we got today. So why would we want anything more than that? D. Richard Hodges, Freddie Blanton, why would we need any more than we got talent, we got opportunity, right? We got potential. Boom. It's all we need, folks. So I'm just leaving a workout, and I got a question for you. You know, I'm building out this greatness factory in Nashville, and I joke a lot, Martin and Brad White and Eric White, I joke a lot about which would sell more tickets. Will we sell more tickets, Ryan Seac, to the Complacency Factory or to the Greatness Factory? And Charlie at the Greatness Factory, Charlie, I think I called you a couple times. At the Greatness Factory, it's about exerting some force and energy, Daniel Hodges, toward our potential. You don't need more money, Jimmy. You need more people. The people have the money. Okay? When you think, man, I need more money, no, you need more people. And you need something valuable to offer them. Right, Chris? So I always joke with people, and I say, man, at the Greatness Factory, okay, you said Compliance Factory, that's good. At the Complacency Factory, hey, we serve you a cold Pabst Blue Ribbon, and you get 10 minutes of coaching. Amber Walsh at the Complacency Factory. At the Greatness Factory, it's going to require a little bit more work, a little bit more effort, a little bit more energy. It's going to require you to exert something towards something, folks. I've never met a lazy person of interest. Never in my life. So, you got to make a decision today. Nobody sends their kids off to school in the morning and say, hey, Ella, Grace, Bert, here's what I want you to do. I want you to go gradually settle to a place of mediocrity today, girl. That's your goal. You come home and tell daddy that you gradually settle to a place of mediocrity today. Right? Nobody sends their kids off to school that way. But there will be millions of adults that send themselves off to work today that do that. Okay? Do they have wine at the Pretty Good Factory? Yeah, basically you got the Complacency Factory, the Pretty Good Factory, and the Greatness Factory. Right, Carrie Ann Sear? I could make millions of dollars with the Complacency Factory, folks. Right? Maybe more money with the Complacency Factory than a Greatness Factory. But that ain't the kind of folks I'm looking for, Dee Dee. I'm looking for a certain type of person who has a desire to play at the highest level, which will require energy. So I want you to think about this today. When I woke up this morning, I probably woke up just like you. I woke up about 5:15, tired, exhausted, been a long week, been pushing hard. I got a big virtual boot camp today with Cody Askins on selling, because nothing happens until something is sold. And I woke up and my feelings said, woo, coach, you're tired. But I don't listen to my feelings. My mindset said, suck it up, buttercup. It's time to get to that gym. It's time to walk out of there with a little courage and a little confidence and a little, right? And a little commitment. Because when I walk out of there, Donnie Van Hooser, with courage and confidence and commitment, I'm willing to do things I don't want to do. So I already got my first win in today, and I believe private victories always precede public victories. You win first with the battles in the mind, and then you win externally, right? And when you win internally, Jay Cash was in there hitting that F-45 with me, and it was tough, man. It was tough. You win first in the mind. You go there in the mind before you go there in the body. So in my mind, I've already sold 50 people today to my coaching program, Monster Producer. In my mind, I've already made some big decisions this morning during my quiet time. In my mind, I'm already a national and international thought leader, Amanda Beener. In my mind, I'm already at the top of my game, playing with the best people in the world. That is where I've already gone in my mind. Now my mind's got to tell my body, this is what's about to happen. And you guys have heard me say, I had a trainer named Rod Key, who I really love as a person, who always said, get your mind ready for what your body's about to do. Your mind tells the body, this is what's about to happen, Sonia. This is what's about to happen, okay? I don't listen to my feelings. Fatigue is a feeling. And that feeling can be told it ain't happening. What's up, birthday girl, Joni Roseman? Oh, Joni Roseman and I go way back. Now, here's my point, folks. When I woke up this morning, I'm telling myself, Dwight Dye, it's on today, man. I'm gonna get 50 new monster producers today on this virtual boot camp. I'm gonna give 50 new monster producers on this monster boot camp. That's what I've already done in my mind. Now it's a matter of telling my body, here's what's gonna happen today. So the question is, today for you, is it gonna be greatness or is it gonna be complacency? Is it gonna be average or is it gonna be incredible? Is it gonna be a okay life, ordinary life, or is it gonna be an extraordinary life? I told my wife once that we were gonna live an extraordinary life. I said, ain't gonna be common, ain't gonna be average, ain't gonna be normal. It's going to be abnormal. It's going to be extraordinary. But the extra has got to come from somewhere. So let's have a great day today. Today is the 11th day of December. Let's push as hard as we can across the finish line. I can't believe, man. It's only 11th day of December, okay? 11 days of Christmas, folks. Okay, let's get up. Let's push. If you want to sign up for the boot camp today, right there's the website. I can still get you on there, folks, for less than $100. I think, I don't know, probably close to 200 people are going to be on there with me. Those are serious. Those are people sign up for the Greatness Factory. Folks that over at the Average Factory, they just going to get up and go to the factory and just putter along. Just putter around today, okay? But that ain't you, folks. You guys wouldn't be following me if that was you. So, let's have a great day. No past blue ribbon for you, Brian. Okay, get the good stuff. Get the good stuff, all right? You guys have a great day. Virtual Summit, $97. Full day with me today and Cody Askins. If you want to get in, Eric White can help you. And I want to help you play at a level 10 opportunity. Don't be a level 10 person stuck in a level 4 opportunity with level 4 mindsets, folks. Don't be a level 10 stuck in a level 4. God bless you guys. Have a great day.